Welcome back, Shopify sellers. If VAT compliance for Shopify has you confused, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be breaking down how VAT works for UK and EU sellers, the specific VAT requirements you need to know, and how to simplify it all using linkmybooks. Let's start with the basics. VAT, or value-added tax, is a consumption tax added at each stage of production and sale. If you sell in the UK or EU, you're likely required to charge VAT. Shopify allows you to apply VAT to your product, but here's a key point: it's still your responsibility to calculate, track, and remit VAT to the relevant tax authorities. That's why we're here to help make this easier. Let's dive into VAT registrations. Whether you need to register for VAT or not depends on your location and sales threshold. In the UK, if you exceed £85,000 in revenue, you must register for VAT. For EU sellers, you'll need to register if your total sales to each country reach that country's specific threshold. And after Brexit, remember that UK to EU sales are considered exports, requiring different VAT treatment. If you're selling into the EU from the UK, you might also need to register locally if you surpass these thresholds. Shopify does offer VAT tools, like automatic VAT calculation based on your customer's location, tax-inclusive pricing, and product-specific VAT overrides. However, it doesn't handle VAT filing or compliance, so you'll still need a robust VAT tracking system. That's where linkmybooks really shines. Let's dive into linkmybooks, a tool specifically designed for automating VAT tracking and reporting. Here's how it simplifies VAT for Shopify sellers. Connecting Shopify to linkmybooks. After linking Shopify, linkmybooks syncs all your transactions automatically, assigning the correct VAT rates to each based on where the customer is located. You won't need to input anything manually, so it saves time and cuts down on errors. Accurate VAT categorization. linkmybooks ensures each transaction is VAT categorized correctly, meaning sales, refunds, fees, and other transactions will each have the right VAT rate applied. This reduces the risk of overpaying or underpaying VAT, which is critical for compliance. Reverse charge mechanism. This feature is especially useful for cross-border EU transactions. For example, if Shopify charges you fees without VAT, linkmybooks can account for the reverse charge VAT, balancing both the input and output tax on your VAT returns. Automated VAT reports. Once everything is set up, linkmybooks syncs your data with Xero or QuickBooks ready for filing. No more sifting through transactions, simply sync the data and submit it to HMRC or your country's tax authority. VAT isn't one size fits all. Let's go over a few scenarios. Cross-border sales. Post-Brexit, UK sellers shipping to the EU face new rules. If goods are over £135, the buyer might handle VAT on delivery. For EU sellers, if your sales into the UK exceed the threshold, you must register for VAT in the UK and charge VAT at checkout. Multiple VAT rates. Products can have different VAT rates: standard, reduced, or zero rated. For example, children's clothing is zero rated in the UK, while other products may incur the standard 20% rate. linkmybooks helps you apply the correct rate automatically. Non-VAT registered sellers. If you're under the VAT threshold, you don't have to register, but if you're selling into the EU, you'll still need to ensure VAT is applied at checkout using the IOSS scheme. Let's quickly go over some final tips. Automate your VAT with linkmybooks. Manually handling VAT can lead to mistakes and lost revenue. Automating it ensures accuracy and compliance. Stay updated on VAT thresholds. Different EU countries have unique VAT thresholds, so keep an eye on your sales. Thanks for joining us in today's Shopify VAT guide. We hope this gave you the clarity you need. For more detail, check out our blog post linked below. If linkmybooks sounds like a good fit, check out our 14-day free trial to see just how much easier e-commerce bookkeeping and VAT compliance can be. And last but not least, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and guidance. See you next time.